What's up, traders? Today is a very special day here at the FTMO office. In December, we released the Xmas Calendar, through which we wanted to give back to our traders in the form of various gifts. Fast forward to today, we have Luis from Portugal in the building, our winner of 1+1 FTMO Prague trip. We gave him and his girlfriend a full course tour of our headquarters in the center of Prague, gifted them with some FTMO merch as souvenirs, and sat Luis down in our studio to answer a couple of questions about his trading journey.
So I've been actively trading for a year. I've been learning for 2 years now. I got into it in university. I had a degree that talked a bit about trading, but it's curious because my teacher said that it was impossible, like there was no chance for anyone to make money in the markets, like any kind of market, which I actually doubted it. But then I started looking into it and I just got curious, like more and more curious, you know. So after that, I just wanted to learn and I wanted to make sure that it was actually possible to make money, you know, to make a living out of this. And it actually excites me. Yeah, that's how I got into it. The guy that I learned the strategy with, he actually has a lot of his own students with FTMO. So I looked into it and I saw, okay, this sounds perfect. I don't have to invest a lot of my money, you know. I just invest a little bit, I need to learn, and then I can make a funded account. And I saw there was a lot of people with FTMO from his own class. He was like, he's not even affiliated to FTMO. He was just saying, because there's a lot of students with this company, a lot of traders, obviously. So if they were, I could be as well, you know, that's it. I want to become, obviously, a professional full-time trader. I want to be with FTMO because I feel like it's easier. I feel like the scaling plan helps a lot. For now, this is what I aim for. I don't want to try to predict my future for like 10 years, but in 3-4 years time, this is what I want. I want the 200K account. I want to try to go for a scaling plan, and we'll see from there.
This is the game match. Yeah.
It takes a lot of mental strength. Like the psychology is the hardest thing, because if you're good with numbers, if you study, if you backtest, you can learn a good strategy. And it's good to keep up with the strategy that you've learned, like try to improve it, always try to become better, obviously. But if psychology is not there, it's just not gonna work. You need to obviously be patient, like be really, really patient. Like if things are meant to be, they will come, right? Don't stress anytime.
We hope you find Luis' story inspiring. If you're curious about what it takes to become an FTMO trader, check out the links below to learn more. Until next time, cheers from Prague.